Assalamu alaikum wa rahmatullahi wa barakatuh. In the name of Allah, the most gracious, the most merciful. This is Mr. Muhammad Ibrahim, the math teacher. These recordings are for Al Majd International Schools. Now we are revising math for grade 6 to be ready for the first quarter exam. Okay, this file consists of 6 forms of exams. All of them are alike. We are going to revise the first one, 1A, and you have got 2A, 3A, 1B, 2B, 3B. And all of them, I told you, are alike, and although they are alike with the exam, you are going to finally take it at school or online. Okay, starting from number 1. What is the least common multiple of 6 and 8? To find the least common multiple of 6 and 8, just try to write the multiples for 6 and multiples of 8. Multiples for 6 is 6 because we find the multiples by multiplying the number times all natural numbers. Starting from number 1. So 6 times 1 is 6. 6 times 2 will give you 12. 6 times 3 is 18. 6 times 4 is 24. 6 times 5 is 30. 6 times 5 is 30. Okay, 6 times 6, 36. I think that might be enough. Okay, what about 8? Write down 8. 8, the multiples of 8 will be 8 times 1, 8. 8 times 2, 16. 8 times 3, 24. 24. Okay, 8 times 4, 32. 8 times 5, 40. 8 times 6, 48. I think that this might be enough. Actually, there will be many multiples and many commons, but we need the least common multiple. As you see, where is the common? The common, it means the number which has repeated between 6 and 8. So you will find here we have 24, this one, and we have 24 here. So the least common multiple will be 24. The least common multiple will be 24. So the right answer is 24. Okay. Let's go to number 2. At number 2, as you see here, let's back to number 2. At number 2, at the summer camp there are 40 boys out of 70. So he need this ratio as a fraction in the simplest form. I said 40 boys out of 70, so it's 40 over 70. If you have 40 over 70, as you see here, 40 divided over 70, you can delete 0 with 0, so the final answer will be 4 over 7. The final answer must be 4 over 7. Very good. Now, as you see here, which is H. Okay. Number 3. The table shows the animals at petting zoo. What is the ratio of goats to the total number of animals? Okay. The number of goats are 6, but the total number of animals, we cannot get it till we find the sum. 2 plus 4 is 6. 6 plus 3 is 9. 9 plus 6 is 15. So the total number is 15. He wants the ratio between goats to the total number of animals. So starting with goats, we have 6 divided over 15. Okay. Both of them is divisible over 3. 6 over 3 will equal 2. 15 over 3 will equal 5. So it will equal 2 over 5. 2 over 5. Okay. Now let's go to this one, number 4. For exercise 4 and 5, what is each rate written as a unit rate? He wants you to find the unit rate for these. So you have 9 pages in 3 hours. So divide 9 over 3. Yes, will equal 3 over 1, because we have been abbreviated to the simplest form. So it will equal 9 over 3. As you see, both of them is divisible over 3. Over 3 will give you 3. 3 over 3 will give you 1. So the ratio must be 3 over 1. 3 over 1, or 3 to 1, which you will find it here. So the last answer is G. The final answer, or the right answer, must be G. Okay, number 5, 20 pounds. At number 5, he said 20 pounds for $4. So 20 over 4 will give you 5, so it's 5 over 1. Here it is, your answer, A. A manatee surfaced for air 2 times in 60 seconds. How many seconds went by before the manatee surfaced the first time if it held its breath for the same rate? Okay, each time, what are the number of seconds it will take each time? 60 over 2 will give you 30, so the number is 30 seconds. It will take 30 seconds each time it surfaced to the air. If you want to know the manatee, it's a creature. It's a creature. You will find it in the sea. Okay. Let's go to the next page. Now these examples, when you see these tables, you must know that you have ratio tables. So if you remember what I told you about the ratio tables, we are using the X method. If you don't know something here, just multiply 3 times 10 equal 30. 30 over 5 will give you 6. So it's $6. We solved this math example without reading the math example. We don't need to read all that. We just have the ratio table. I told you it's, yes, X method. 3 times 10 over 5 will give you this. The opposite amounts, multiply them together and divide them over the far amount. Okay, let's go to the second one. The second math example, number 8. Sorry about that. At number 8, Rashida bought 3 tickets to a concert for $75. At this rate, how much would 5 tickets cost? We don't need to read this math example. We just have a ratio table, so the X method, yes, excellent. So we have 75 times 5 over 3. 75 times 5 over 3. Okay, so we have 75 times 5, all that over 3. Okay, 3 over 3 will equal 1. 75 over 3 will equal 25. So we have 25 times this 5 will equal, as you know, 125. So the final answer must be 125. Number 9. Gina read 120 pages in 4 days. Okay, so which reading rate is equivalent? Which reading rate is equivalent? We must find the rate. So 120 over 4 will equal 30 pages. Each day she will read 30 pages. So let's have a look. If we divide 75 over 3 will equal 25. No. If you divide 105 over 5, it will equal 21, I think. let's think about that. 10 over 5 will equal to, yes, it will equal 21. Okay, what about D? 80 pages in 3. 80 over 3 will equal, 8 over 3 will equal 2, and the remainder 2, so it's about 26 and a decimal. There will be a decimal, so it will be 26 and decimal. Okay, what about B? 60 pages in 2 days. 60 over 2 will give you 30, so you will get the same equivalent ratio if you divide 120 with 4 and 60 over 2. 60 over 2 give you 30, and also 120 over 4 give you 30, so B is the right answer. 10. 5 notebooks cost $20. At this rate, how much would 4 notebooks cost? Okay, we bought 5 notebooks for $20, so 20 over 5 will give you 4, so each notebook equal $4. Okay, you will buy it for $4. What about 4 notebooks? 4 times 4 is 16, so it will be equal $16. Number 11. According to the key of a particular park map, every 5 inches on the map represents 3 miles. 5 inches presents 3 miles of trails in the park. How many inches on the map represents 9 miles? Okay, 5 inches for 3 miles. Okay, what about if they were 9 miles? So we have 3 miles, 3 miles, 3 miles, each one 5 inches, 5 inches, 5 inches. So the total inches must be 15, because we have 9 miles. And you know that each 3 miles we will draw them in 5 inches on the map. So 5 times 3 is 15. Number 12. Okay, this is the last question. 1 serving of fruit punch, a recipe serves 16 people. Okay, 1 serving 16 people. Which of the following lists the order bears number of servings to the number of people? So the first one must be 1 and 16. So the second one must be 2 and 32, 3 and 48, 4 and 64. Okay, so which one is the right one? Yes, F is the right answer. Okay, so 1 fruit bunch enough for 16 people. That means multiply them by 2. 2 times 1 is 2, 16 times 1 is 32. Multiply them by 3, 3 times 1 is 3, 3 times 16 is 48. Multiply them by 4, 4 times 1 is 4, 4 times 16 is 64. So F is the right answer. And then you have form 2A, 2B, 3A, 3B. All of them are solved and you have the final exam there. But inshallah, they will define your exam time. I hope you get the best degrees. Thank you for watching my lesson, my video, my revision. Thank you. Good luck.